pups, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how to get the male and female zombie sets for free. Not the animation set, the outfit set. It's back for a limited time only, thanks to the flashback sales. That's all I have to say to you. Stick around to find out how to get it for free. Okay, so as you can see, when you first log in, they have here on the right hand side their news section. You can see the 2008 flashback bundle for Halloween listed here. You can also see that it's listed for 11,999 Avacoins, which is pretty crazy. I know for a lot of you, you don't have that money, and some of these you can buy individually, but even then, they're 699 Avacoins, I believe, each. So I'm going to show you what you need to do to get it free. To get this for free, you're going to want to click single item down here on the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to click this free box icon here. It's going to take you to the build machine. You're going to click build and you'll watch a short ad, and at the end of the ad you will have the outfit being built in your machine. There is 2 days and 21 hours here to build this Cosmos headless zombie costume for free. You can use your boost tokens to shorten the time, and as you can see, the more time that passes, the cheaper the item gets. And that is how you can get the zombie costumes for free. Comment down below if this helped you. Let me know, and I will see you wolves in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. Until next time, stay hungry, wolves.